Hello there. So today I'm going to be dyeing my hair back pink. I'm so excited. It feels like a lifetime since I've had pink hair, and I feel like I should really have been born with pink hair, but anyway, so today I thought I would just film it because I'm using a new hair dye brand that I've never used before. So I thought I could do a little bit of a review and then I'll show you like the finished result at the end. The hair dye product that I'm using today is the Crazy Colour dye, and I'm using the shade Candyfloss, which looks to be a really kind of pretty, soft, kind of bubblegum pastel pink. I actually picked these up when I was in Greece. I wasn't planning on buying hair dye when I was in Greece, but they were there in the shop and I just thought, yes, like why not? This seems like the right moment to buy Crazy Colour. So they cost about, I think it was like €8, which is about £7. You can buy Crazy Colour on eBay, Amazon. It's quite readily available here in the UK, and I've heard fairly good things about the brand. So yeah, so today we're going to be trying it out. I have tried many different pink hair dyes in my time, so I feel like I am quite a good judge of not only pink hair dyes but hair dyes in general. I'm constantly dyeing my hair. If you've watched my channel for a while, you will probably know that by now. So my hair is very, very light right now. The last colour that I dyed, it was like a kind of denim blue kind of colour, and if you've ever dyed your hair blue, you'll know it just is impossible to get out. So I ended up doing a bleach bath. My hair is very, very light right now. I'll just get it down and I will show you the current status of my hair. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. So this is the starting point. As you can see, my hair is pretty long, so I mean I'm hoping that 2 of these give me enough coverage, because they are quite, I don't know, they look quite minimalistic, you might say. My roots, my hair is much more like an icier blonde than in the lengths. Used a bleach bath kind of in the lengths, where I mixed the bleach with conditioner just to dilute it a bit so it wasn't as harsh, but then on the roots I did use like pure bleach, so that explains why I've got a bit of a crappy ombre effect going on, the ombre that nobody wanted. And also, like, it was only about 3 weeks ago that I bleached my hair, and already you can see a lot of root action coming through. Like, I feel like my hair just grows stupidly quickly, which I know for a lot of people that might be a good thing, but it's fucking annoying when you're constantly dyeing your hair and then your roots come through. It's like, what the feck? But anyway, guys, so this is my hair right now, and yeah, I'm gonna go wash my hair. I'm not going to condition it, just shampoo. I'm going to towel dry my hair, and then I'll catch up with you and we can start the application process, and then we can just go from there and just see what happens. Okay, so I have shampooed my hair. I've just given it a bit of a towel dry. It's still quite wet, but I'm sure it'll be fine. So the instructions advise to wear gloves. When I'm bleaching my hair, I always wear gloves. But when I'm kind of semi-permanently dyeing my hair some kind of crazy colour, like 50% of the time I wear gloves, just because I'm a bit of a rebel like that. And today I don't think I can be bothered wearing gloves. Yeah! So the directions advise that you leave this on for 15 to 30 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. I'm probably going to leave this on for 45 minutes because I'm a fucking rebel. I mean, really, guys. So, okay, right, so let's do this. I mean, really, guys. Pa, pa, pa. Da, da, da. Okay, right, anyway. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, it's very pink, guys. I mean, I don't know what I was expecting. Like, why am I surprised by that? I do not know. Oh my gosh, she is runny. Oh, already I'm loving the colour of this, by the way. Already I am in to this. Ta-ta-ta. I'm just gonna get really messy. Oh yes, bitch. By the way, just in case you're interested, which I'm sure you're probably not, my favourite pink hair dye what? Yeah, my favourite pink hair dye, I almost said dry again, is, or was, the one by Bleach London. I would show you right now, but no, I mean, I can't. But it's called the Big Pink, I think. And I really, really like that one. But then they changed the packing formula and now it's a shadow of its former self. Oh my God, putting the dye on my hair. I always feel like, you know, when I'm watching other people's hair dye videos, they look so professional. They have gloves on, they use the brush. They just do it like so majestically. And then you've just got me over here just like, this, the rebel that I am, do you know what I mean? I'm gonna leave this on for about 45 minutes, I've decided today, because I really want my hair to be so pink, like so pink. And I have a job interview in a couple of weeks, but I mean, if they don't want me with pink hair, then I don't want to be there, you know what I mean? So really. I feel like I'm getting quite a lot out of this dye as well. Like, I don't know, I feel like I've got quite good coverage. It spreads really, really easily. You know, sometimes you might get hair dye and it's a bit thick and it doesn't want to spread and it's like, it just pisses you off. This one is actually really, really easy to use, so I'm loving it so far. Look at the colour of it, guys. It's, oh shit. Yeah, it's super pink. I'll be like, hey honeys, I decorated the bathroom pink. He'll be like, yes bitch, yes. Okay, so this is probably the most awkward bit of filming I've ever done in my life. But I have applied all of the hairdryer to my hair. I need to just like, you know, rub it in a little bit, that's what she said. But yeah, I like the way it applied. However, I do feel like on some areas, I don't know if you can see, it just doesn't seem to have stuck, if that makes sense. I don't know if I'm just imagining it, but yeah, I feel like it's not stuck, if that makes sense. But anyway, I'm just gonna like massage it. Why can't I not get the right angle, for heck's sake? But yeah, I feel like I'm just gonna look down like this, like how awkward is this, guys? And then you can see the sad back of my head. This is like being at the hairdressers, you know, when they finished your cut and they're like, oh yeah, do you want to see it from the back? And you're like, not really. But then they insist on showing you and you're like, ah, yeah, looks great. But really you're thinking, like, I don't really care. Like, when do I ever see the back of my head? I don't get my hair cut for anyone else, I get it cut for myself. But anyway guys, yeah, here it is right now on my head. I'm going to just like rub it in a little bit more because I want to make sure I've got enough coverage. I definitely think 2 bottles was great and I still have a bit left in 1 bottle, but I don't know, I just thought I don't feel like I need to put this on because I've got a lot on already. So I'm just going to like massage this all in a little bit. I'm loving the shade of it though. I hope this is the shade it actually turns out, because if it does, I'm going to be living la vida loca, living la vida loca. I may even like check out what it looks like from the back if it turns out like this pink. So it does say to leave on for 15 to 30 minutes. I might leave on for 30 minutes. I was going to leave on for like 45 minutes, being the rebel that I am. But I've changed my mind because it's looking quite pink. And I'm thinking, do you know what? I'm not going to push my luck with this one. So anyway, guys, the next time you see me will be tomorrow when my hair's dry and I can show you the final result. And I feel really awkward, like here talking, seeing the back of my head. It's just so unnatural. But anyway, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Wish me luck. Hope it goes well. So anyway. Hello there, so it's the next day and I'm here to give you my little kind of update on the hair. So, okay, right, I really like it. I really like the colour pink. Like, this is exactly what I wanted, but the issue that I'm having is it's very patchy and I can't help but obviously blame myself. Like they say, a good workman never blames his tools, and I feel like that kind of applies in this situation. Like, a good person never complains about the hair dye. Anyway, no, I don't know what I'm saying, but anyway guys, this is what it looks like. I feel like it's very raspberry ripple. That's exactly what I'm thinking when, you know, I look at my hair. It's like raspberry ripple. But guys, get a load of this. Like, literally, it looks okay here. Okay, it looks fine, but look at this, guys. Oh my gosh, how did I manage to miss that much? Like, I'm kind of blaming myself here, but I'm also thinking that the actual hair dye wasn't the best, because even as I was like applying it, I could feel like on certain areas it just did not seem to be sticking. And I used like 2 bottles. There was more than enough for my hair. My hair is long, but it's quite thin. And I feel like as I was like massaging it in, because really making an effort to get it all over my hair on every single strand, I could see that it just was not absorbing in some areas. And look, I've got this fecked up kind of situation. Honeys was trying to make me feel better, and he said, oh, it looks like you've gone for an ombre look. And I said, oh, okay, thanks, Honeys. Yeah, okay, well, that's just what I'll tell everyone I was going for. But yeah, it's obviously not really turned out exactly how I would want it. If it was all this shade, I would be loving it. I would be loving it so much. But I mean, I just feel like the actual hair dye itself just wouldn't take. And one theory that I do have for where I could have gone wrong is when I shampooed my hair, I towel dried it, but I feel like I didn't maybe towel dry it enough, because maybe the areas where it wasn't fully absorbing were just too wet. Like, that's one theory that I have. Please let me know in the comments downstairs, like, if there's any theories that you have. It could just be that the hair dye is crap, but then again, it looks great here. So I have to blame myself, really. I think I blame myself, guys. But I am going to buy another bottle of this same hair dye, and I'm going to pop it on next weekend. And you know, I'm going to make sure that after I've shampooed my hair, I really towel dry it. It's going to be like extreme towel dry time. I'm going to make sure that it's pretty much dry, and just see if that helps the product actually adhere to my hair, because I actually really love the shade of pink. I think the shade is, for me, perfect. This is the kind of pink hair that I've always wanted. It's just a shame that I like have this fecking ombre look, as Honeys would say, going on. But anyway, guys, I actually really like it. Like, I like it for the most part. It's just a shame that it didn't like fully take everywhere. But anyway, guys, like, I would definitely say if you're thinking of trying this hair dye, I would say go for it. But I would definitely like recommend just to make sure that you really towel dry your hair, because I feel like if you've got patches of your hair that are still very wet, the product isn't going to really take as well. That's just my theory on what went wrong with my hair disaster. But overall, I do really like it, and I think the dye, you know, it turned out the colour that it advertised, which is a rare thing with hair dyes, I've realised. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please could you let me know in the comments what your favourite brand of hair dye is, and also if you like dyeing your hair pink like me, what's your favourite pink hair dye? And I'm definitely going to be checking that out in the future. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.